Worrisome global tensions are increasing, mainly due to the conflict between Russia and Ukraine and the escalating hostilities between China and the United States. This has demonstrated the necessity for nations to concentrate on enhancing their own security. Elon Musk, a businessman and inventor, decided to fund the creation of hypersonic aircraft in reaction, introducing innovations in fields like artificial intelligence, communication, and aviation is critical because they can potentially save many lives. Musk recently revealed a $500 million hypersonic jet to counter the military potential of Russia and China. The U.S. government has given Musk's company, Tesla, a contract worth more than $1 billion to create a new generation of aircraft in the case of a military conflict. It is unclear whether this will create a hypersonic airplane that might compete with China's and Russia's military prowess. A bullet typically travels at 2 to twice the speed of sound, but the U.S. military is working on an aircraft that can soar at 5 times or 5 times the speed of sound. Musk stated his intention to develop a supersonic electric airplane with vertical takeoff and landing last year. Musk and the Pentagon are well connected, and the U.S. Department of Defense has already agreed to contracts to create satellites. We are currently anticipating the arrival of a fantastic airplane developed by Elon Musk and Tesla. Its expected price is $100 million, and its purpose is to compete with Russia's and China's military might. Musk has advanced his theories for building hypersonic aircraft and thinks all jets will eventually be uncrewed and operate without a pilot shortly. This implies that human operators will be phased out of military aviation in favor of unmanned aerial vehicles. Elon Musk is undoubtedly among the most intelligent and accomplished business people today. He established several businesses, such as SpaceX, Tesla, and The Boring Company, and displayed extraordinary entrepreneurship and innovation in each endeavor. Elon Musk also maintains close links with the Pentagon and other governmental institutions. An $83 million contract was made by SpaceX and the U.S. Aerospace Administration in 2016 to create a brand new man-made satellite refueling device. The business and the U.S. government's National Defense Agency also agreed to a $130 million launch deal in 2018. Thus, Elon Musk never ceases to astound us with his technological and visionary ideas. Thanks to his contacts with the Pentagon and other government agencies, he can raise additional funding for the execution of his ambitious plans. I concur entirely with Elon Musk's remark regarding the future of uncrewed fighter jets and the idea of uncrewed aerial vehicle. As a military expert, AEOs have been around for a while, but recently their full potential has been realized. In fact, a lot of military power around the globe has already made significant investments in unmanned aerial vehicle technology. Unmanned fighter jet technology will undoubtedly cause substantial shifts in how we live. Autonomous combat robots can fly without endangering human pilots, perform trickier maneuvers, and accomplish missions that might be too risky for people. Additionally, the cost of training and maintaining pilot personnel can significantly decrease using unmanned fighters. It is crucial to remember that some issues still need to be resolved before unmanned fighters can reach their maximum potential. Creating trustworthy autonomous software that can make decisions in challenging and unpredictable circumstances is one of the critical jobs. To avoid hacking and other online threats, the remote control technology for aircraft must also be highly private and dependable. The future of unmanned fighter planes as envisioned by Elon Musk is not only futuristic, but also innovative. Any military force that uses this technology will have a significant advantage, and I predict that we will use uncrewed fighter aircraft more frequently. But it's crucial to move cautiously and guarantee that the technology is created and applied responsibly. Unmanned aircraft vehicle autonomy does present some challenges, including security. One of the significant issues facing unmanned aerial vehicle developers is the potential for intercepting drone control. In the case of a software breach, there is also a risk that the drone's actions may be unpredictable. However, the Army and private aviation are still interested in developing unmanned fighters. The nation's military has already tested unmanned control systems to determine their potential and limitations. Unmanned aerial vehicles' powers are obviously very constrained. They may pose a significant threat to manned planes. However, Elon Musk's assertion that uncrewed fighter aircraft will predominate in military aviation in the future is dubious. Undoubtedly, artificial intelligence will become more capable, but reliability and security-related technological issues still need to be fixed. Furthermore, it is impossible for the professional opinion that Elon Musk is incompetent in military issues. Military tactics and strategies are a highly specialized and complex study area requiring years of education and training. To grasp military issues better, Musk might want to consult with seasoned military experts. Unmanned aircraft are highly maneuverable and have the capacity to carry out intricate maneuvers that are inaccessible to manned aircraft, which is one of their significant advantages, owing to the absence of a pilot as well. The aircraft can carry heavier loads, allowing for a rise in speed and altitude. Unmanned planes also have better guidance, control, and weapons accuracy. As a result, fewer targets are struck accurately, resulting in fewer civilian conflicts and casualties. Finally, using drones lowers the expense of training pilots and maintaining their readiness. A person's life is not lost if an uncrewed aircraft is lost during a combat mission. Elon Musk thinks uncrewed aircraft will play a significant role in military flight in the future. Still, it's also important to recognize their limitations and create new technologies to guard against potential threats and interception. Unmanned fighters could be the primary form of combat aviation in the future, but as of now, this technology is still being developed and tested, and many problems, like application efficacy and safety, call for more research. Additionally, some ethical and legal concerns raised by the use of drones in military activities must be considered. Creating uncrewed fighter aircraft is generally a fascinating and promising field of study, but thorough research and justification should support any practical implementation. Unmanned aircraft systems may benefit from an increase in energy intensity and improved battery characteristics as a result of the fact that battery technology is still developing. It should be kept in mind, though, that the research, development, and manufacturing of novel batteries can take a long time and cost a lot of money. Additionally, numerous technological issues must be resolved to ensure the security and dependability of batteries, mainly because uncrewed aerial vehicles can consume a lot of batteries. Keep in mind that autonomous aircraft still lack the high maneuverability and capacity for situational adaptation of fighter planes piloted by humans. Replacing fighters with uncrewed aerial vehicles might be challenging. Electric aircraft may be more financially viable to run than those powered by internal combustion engines, particularly in light of environmental issues and the need to use less fuel. Many issues need to be resolved before electric aircraft can be used for military operation, like combating Chinese and Russian fighter fighters. Military aircraft must, first and foremost, be highly maneuverable and have a long range in order to be successful in aerial conflict. At the moment, electric planes might need more speed and range to carry out such tasks. Additionally, it should be remembered that creating new technologies and systems can be time-consuming and expensive, mainly when used for war purposes. Therefore, even though it's possible that electric aircraft could be used in military operations in the future, more work and research are still needed to address some significant issues. Elon Musk is developing a brand new, entirely electric aircraft for the Army that will cost $500 million. Thanks for watching the video.